INCRA's top-of-the-line LS Positioner Super System with its split fence design will take your woodworking to the next level. The LS Positioner Super System starts with a 17 or 25-inch range LS Positioner and the Pro 2 fence. We then add the substantial capabilities of the Wonder Fence split fence and high-rise fence cap. Then top it off with all of the joinery accessories, the INCRA ShopStop Positioner, the right angle fixture, the master reference guide and 51-piece template library, along with our new instructional DVD. The Wonder Fence split fence design begins with heavy gauge aircraft aluminum, precision machined for straightness, then attached to the Pro 2 fence through a pair of machined wedges. These unique offset mechanisms permit use of the fence for jointing or shaping the edge of your workpiece. Just lock in your fence offset from 0 to 1/8 using the laser engraved scale and put a perfect straight edge on your stock. Create gap-free glue joints in a matter of seconds, and all without the expense or space required by a typical jointer. For large cutters, you can quickly open up the fence gap to accommodate cutters up to 4 inches in diameter. The included high-rise fence cap provides support for your workpiece 8 inches off the table, a must for vertical panel raising. Through the fence dust collection with a 2.5-inch port and an included 90-degree elbow, keep your work area safe and clean. And of course, the Wonder Fence is compatible with all of the included joint-making accessories. Make the LS Positioner router table fence a part of your next project and discover just how much fun accuracy can be.